How to enable or disable USB audio routing on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on developer options. Next, in here, scroll down. And then in the media section, tap on disable USB audio routing. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So here say disable automatic routing to USB audio peripherals. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.